Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix people nearby on Telegram not loading error. So let's get started. If you're having trouble using the People Nearby feature on Telegram and it's not loading, here are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. First, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Check to see if there's an available update for Telegram. Often, app developers release updates to fix bugs or performance issues, so it's possible Telegram is already aware of the problem you're experiencing. If there is an update available, go ahead and download it. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reinstall the Telegram app. For iPhone users, you can do this by going into your settings. Scroll down to General and then select iPhone Storage. Find Telegram in the list of apps and choose the option to Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data intact. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall to download the app again. This refreshes the app without losing any important information and may fix the issue. For Android users, the process is slightly different since there's no Offload App option. Instead, you'll need to delete the Telegram app completely. Once deleted, simply go back to the Play Store and reinstall it. This fresh installation can help clear any potential issues. If reinstalling doesn't work, it's a good idea to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. One quick fix you can try is switching your phone to airplane mode for a few seconds and then turning it off again. This refreshes your network connection and can sometimes resolve any network-related problems that might be interfering with Telegram's features. Another thing to try is updating your device's operating system. On an Android device, go to Settings and search for Software Updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. For iPhone users, go to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Keeping your device's software up to date can help prevent app-related issues. If none of these steps solve the problem, it could be a temporary glitch within the app that will be fixed in a future update. In this case, it's best to stay patient and keep checking for new updates for both Telegram and your device. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.